Hi, I want to thank you for visiting our website and your interest in becoming a lawn treatment technician at Tuxedo. I'm going to tell you why we have a great place for you to work and why our team is so awesome. First thing, we care about you. It's that simple. We want you to be successful, build your career, and make more money being part of our team. And at Tuxedo, we work hard to make sure that you are set up well for success every single day. Your routes are pre-planned and laid out on a mobile device with GPS to help you find your way to each job. You will get your own dedicated truck that is built specifically for doing treatments. The truck will also be dedicated to you so that no one else is ever messing with your calibrations and equipment. It's always exactly as you left it. And my favorite part is that the chemical tracking is automated and put on a mobile device for you. No more paper record keeping to do throughout the day. It is done automatically as you work through your jobs. I love that part. It's so great. We do all of this so that you can focus on doing what you do best, keeping yards beautiful, healthy, and weed-free. This sets you up for success and the ability to make more money each and every day. All of our techs are eligible for bonuses and raises each month. You get paid every Friday, on time, every time. We're never late and we never miss it. We have direct deposit, health insurance, dental, vision, and other benefits. We also pay better than other companies. And to top it all off, you get paid in the winter even when you're not working as much. Now, if you are a hardworking problem solver, and you have the ability to be adaptable to new situations, and you are an honest person, we would love to meet with you and have you come and join our team. We have a lot of fun here at Tuxedo, but we do work hard too. And if this job sounds like something you'd be good at and you would enjoy, give us a call. It's 801-540-4713, or send your resume to service@tuxedoyardcare.com. We've been around for almost 2 decades, and we are looking for amazing people to be with us for the next 2 decades and beyond. We look forward to meeting you, and have a great day. We'll see you. Bye.